Looking back at history, we see a flowing river of time, saturated with wisdom. We see warriors of steel, sculpture, and bravery. Passage of life starts ordinarily, yet ends extraordinarily. A flashing light brings hope from darkness. A heavenly baptism through years makes the light even brighter. A star there that is crowned in the universe. Steadfast partner when facing difficulties and challenges. On the face, in the bosom of heart, linking strings of life, planting seeds of happiness. With peaceful heart comes peaceful mind. Be the love of each other. Be the witness of ages. Be the brightness of life. Be the occurrence of goodness. Gone is spring and comes autumn, 4 seasons succeeding one another, coming and going, living and prospering. Source of life, supporting everyone to be health experts. Way of Chinese medicine, knowing more to be benevolent.